the Besamim. On the holy day of Shabbos, a person is granted neshama yisira, an additional soul. So that's why we feel so uplifted on Shabbos. Why? Because the extra soul is coming, the holy soul, right? Only on Shabbos. So it's proper, especially for men, to learn Torah on Shabbos, not to go somebody and chit chat and about nonsense. So it's proper to learn Torah, because on Shabbos you get first of all you get better understanding. Why? Because you have this extra holy soul, neshama yitzira, and second of all, the whole atmosphere. So Hashem keeps this Satan at bay, right? So you have all of the opportunity to understand things that were not so clear to you during the week. And the conclusion on Shabbos, this neshama lives, and we feel void and need to be comforted. It is for this reason that we smell sweet smell in Besamim, spices more muktzeh Shabbos. So some people, and I know from my students, so they start crying, like literally crying, because they have such a high level of the soul that they feel right, the soul that there is a like standard soul, right? That when this extra soul lives, they feel it. Right? That's when you smell something good, it's like bring back some relief. Continue. A person who has a cold and is unable to detect aroma is not permitted to recite bracha on Besamim. Someone else should make the bracha. One is permitted to say Amen to the bracha of one smelling the spices, even if the listener is unable to smell them. Okay, so let's say the one person who is leading this Havdalah, right, have a stuffy nose, so he can say all of the other text of the Havdalah, but since he has a stuffy nose, so he cannot say this Besamim on frankincense, right? So okay, so let somebody else say, but he's allowed to answer Amen, and this Amen is not going to be interruption. So I would say if he's a leader, so maybe do not say Amen, but let other people say Amen. Okay, you just listen, and we have this rule: if you listen attentively to what's being said, so it's like you answer Amen.